extra time.
रेनिंग वर्ल्ड चैंपियन पीवी संधू बुधवार को एडवांस कर गए प्री क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में ऑफ वुमेन्स सिंगल्स बैडमिंटन इवेंट टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में आफ्टर बीटिंग हांगकांग की एनवाई शियोंग। 26 साल की सिंधु अब फेस करेंगी वर्ल्ड नंबर 12 मिया ब्लिचफेल्ड को, जो कि डेनमार्क की हैं, इन द राउंड ऑफ 16। सिंधु का इनके अगेंस्ट 4-1 का रिकॉर्ड है और डेनमार्क की इस खिलाड़ी की एकमात्र जीत अगेंस्ट सिंधु आई थी योनिक्स थाईलैंड ओपन में अर्लियर दिस ईयर। उन्होंने जब हमसे बात की और उनसे पूछा गया अबाउट द प्री क्वार्टर फाइनल मैच तो उन्होंने ये कहा,
I mean, even though she did 3 games yesterday, I didn't think it will be easy for me because, I played with her a lot of times and she's a tricky player. Even though the first game I finished it off easily. I think second game she came back and it was very important for me to, be there and control the shuttle because, there were so many unforced errors and I think from my side, almost my 4-5 clears where I had to get points were going out. So it was very important for me to just be there and focus the next points rather than about the game. So yeah, I think from 11 it was very important for me to just be there and just focus each and every point and I built off that way.
साथ में उन्होंने ये भी ऐड किया,
I think yes, it's going to be a tough match and I need to be prepared for that. And as I mentioned, yes, she is an aggressive player and I'm not going to have any easy points or she's not going to give any easy points, so I need to work hard for each and every point.
जो मैच सिंधु ने अभी जीता उसके बारे में बात करते हुए सिंधु ने ये कहा,
feeling good and I think into the pre-quarter finals and I think it's very important, as I mentioned, from the first match itself, from the group stages. For me, every match was important because you never know what's going to happen. I mean, anything can happen any moment. So since I've come out of the group levels now and playing the pre-quarter finals against Mia, I think it's going to be a good match and I need to prepare well. I mean, from the first point because I played her in the last couple of tournaments, like in the Swiss, and I think she's an aggressive player and I need to be prepared for that.
उनसे जब पूछा गया कि टोक्यो और रियो ओलंपिक्स के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या है तो उन्होंने ये कहा,
it's very different. I mean, I think for me personally, experience-wise, the expectations-wise, responsibilities-wise is very different. But I think for me, it's just that when I get into the court, it's just I need to be focused. I need to give my best. I think past is past. It's over now. I need just present. What is next is important for me, not thinking about the past and okay, I've got the silver medal. I can't be focusing on that and thinking I will win. But every player is going to had worked hard and come so far. So I think I'm definitely going to miss the crowd. But I think I've seen a couple of Indians.
We were there.
You guys are obviously there. But I think a couple of
you don't mean anyone else.
Chef.
Easily figure out body boys, I'm sure. Physically, mentally, all okay?
Yeah. Physically, mentally, and perfectly fine. So yes, just focusing on it.
और प्री क्वार्टर फाइनल्स में उनकी मुलाकात मिया ब्लिचफेल्ड से होने वाली है राउंड ऑफ 16 में। उनके बारे में पीवी सिंधु ने ये कहा,
अभी नेक्स्ट मिया के साथ खेल रही हूँ तो इजी नहीं होने वाला है और प्रिपेयर करना है क्योंकि मैं उसके साथ स्विस में भी खेली थी। वो बहुत एग्रेसिव प्लेयर है तो मैं मेरा बेस्ट देना है और एंड आई नीड टू बी एग्रेसिव टू।
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.